10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. Geography Unit 10 India Industries. What is manufacturing industries? The conversion of raw materials into usable products is known as manufacturing industries. What is industrial region? Industrial region refers to a region with the concentration of one or a variety of industries. Ancient India knew the art of smelting iron ore. Give example. The iron pillar in Delhi, Mehroli. Where was the modern iron and steel industry started in India? Kulti in West Bengal. Who started Tata Iron and Steel Company in 1907 at Sakchi? J.N. Tata. In which state the Tata Iron and Steel Company or TISCO located? Jharkhand. Where is Jindal Vijayanagar Steel Limited JVSL located? Ballari district in Karnataka. In which state Ispat Iron and Steel Limited located? Maharashtra. In which state Tata Steel plant located? Odisha. In which state Indian Iron and Steel Company IISCO located? West Bengal. Where was Visvesvaraya Iron and Steel Limited VISL located? Bhadravati in Karnataka. In which state Bhilai Steel plant located? Chhattisgarh. In which state Rourkela Steel plant located? Odisha. In which state Durgapur Steel plant located? West Bengal. In which state Bokaro Steel plant located? Jharkhand. In which state the Salem Steel plant located? Tamil Nadu. In which state Visakhapatnam Steel plant VSP located? Andhra Pradesh. In which state Daitari Steel plant located? Odisha. Name the factors of location of aluminium industry. The availability of bauxite, which is the main raw material, supply of hydroelectric power, wide market and capital. These are the factors of location of aluminium industry. Where was the first aluminium industry started? Jayakayanagar. Why does India import aluminium? To meet its local demands. Where was the first modern cotton textile industry started? Mumbai. Which is known as Cottonopolis of India and Manchester of India. Mumbai is known as Cottonopolis of India and Manchester of India. Mumbai is known as Cottonopolis of India and Manchester of India. Why? Mumbai is the most popular center for cotton textile industry. That's why it is known as Cottonopolis of India and Manchester of India. Which is the second largest producer of sugar in the world? India. Which is the first largest producer of sugar in the world? Brazil. Where was the first modern paper mill set up in India? The first modern paper mill set up in India at Serampur. Where was the real modern paper mill set up in India? Ballet. Paper industry is a forest-based industry. Why? The raw materials used in this industry are softwood like bamboo and cellulosic pulp, grasses like sabai and babhar. Straw of paddy, wheat, bagasse, cotton, lins, rags, etc. are being used as raw materials in paper industry. Why? Due to lack of forest-based raw materials. What is knowledge-based industry? Knowledge-based industry refers to those industries which are relatively intensive in their inputs of technology and human knowledge. At present, knowledge-based industry is very rapidly developing industry in the country. Why? India has the potential to become a leading knowledge-based industry with its young population and growing information technology. That's why knowledge-based industry is very rapidly developing industry in the country. Which city is called Silicon Valley of India? Bengaluru. Bengaluru is called Silicon Valley of India. Why? Bengaluru is the most important center for Indian software industry. That's why Bengaluru is called as Silicon Valley of India.